So guys, here we're having a blizzard again once, and this time we're looking at about 18 inches of snow, 13 to 18 inches. So it's gonna be snowing all night until tomorrow afternoon. And guys, the wind is picking up. They said we should be having like 55 miles an hour wind. So we just gotta stay safe and stay buttoned down. So guys, see, it's snowing. And guys, I'm right here in Bronx, New York right now. So the snow is coming down more and more. The last one we had was about what, 2 to 3 weeks ago, and now we're having this one. But this one is supposed to be getting more snow than the last time. Right now, guys, the temperature is about what is it? 16 degrees. So, the snow is coming down fine because it's so cold. So it's very powdery right now. It's not really saggy and heavy. So I'm just walking in it a little bit, guys. Right there, guys, down there, that's the park down there in the valley in the Bronx. Of course, guys, I'm not even gonna go down there. I'm just giving you guys a little, of what's going on. It's freezing, guys. It's cold. All those emergency vehicle guys, you can hear them. It's because people be driving on the road and they can't stop, and before you know it, they crash into one another. And that's out on the highway right there, Highway 95. Guys, you can hear the snow under my boot crunching. Yeah, it's cold. Tomorrow now, people are gonna have a grand time digging out their vehicle, especially when the snowplow passes through here and bank up the snow. It's gonna be a task to dig out the vehicle. Yes, guys, this is how we're having it right now. It's cold in here. So guys, that's just a little video of what's going on right now. We're having a blizzard, so guys, I'm just gonna get on inside and get warm. So guys, stay safe and stay blessed.